Okay.
Alright. Hello human race, this is Komoyodo again, and we are here with another Blender Brothers episode. Here to drink another abomination of nature. This week is a little different because our winner from last week, Yodo, gets to basically switch out an ingredient we pick for an ingredient he wants us to put in our smoothie to drink.
They're gonna die.
Let's begin the picking process.
Make sure you're not looking. Show the audience.
Mustard. What's wrong with you?
Mustard!
Peanut butter is right there. Oh god. Oh,
okay, that's it. Thanks.
Already.
No.
Spin it.
Another good choice.
Come on, barbecue sauce.
Red hot sauce.
Red hot sauce.
Okay.
Lots of condiments.
Oh god. You know you love me. Canned chicken.
Canned chicken.
Canned chicken.
Finally
Not
something
any
good.
chicken.
You guys are still screwed.
Why?
This wouldn't even taste that bad.
I
Okay?
hate mustard.
You can have some kind of disgusting.
That's like an okay lunch.
It's not too bad so
right
far.
there.
Gonna pick
An
chocolate
okay
syrup.
lunch.
Tofu.
Alright.
At least it does have a taste.
Yeah. Love me.
Out of
We
these
used to
5
eat those.
ingredients, he gets to...
No.
Now we get to
These
choose
are the bases. They don't get to choose by themselves. They're just over it.
Most luck here. Alright, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I'm
Okay.
OJ.
Oh.
The one bad.
You guys are screwed.
Get the...
What goes really bad with orange juice?
we're not telling.
Brushing your
Toothpaste.
teeth.
Lemons.
Put some toothpaste in there.
Orange
Orange
juice?
juice.
mini wheat.
Nacho
I'm
cheese
gonna
Dorito.
pick.
The spray cheese and replace it with the spinach.
Thank you.
Replace the spinach with the cheese.
Thank you.
Alright.
Okay, so
Simpson.
what we have...
That's actually the base.
What we have to
smoothies,
drink
okay.
today is orange juice, spray cheese, tofu, mustard and hot sauce, and canned chicken.
Alright. Today there's no mercy for these guys.
Oh god. Oh god, you almost made me hit my head on that.
This is gonna be so awful.
I'm trying to get up.
Food.
I don't want to.
Great.
Actually,
Way to give us
I
that
almost enjoyed
image.
the snow.
Wait.
Go help him.
Oh wait, you wanna go drain that?
Nope.
No,
Please drain it.
don't put that chicken juice in there.
Yeah. No mercy.
Oh my god!
I don't like.
Mobilize me. John, no.
Can you get out?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna start with the mustard.
What else do you have left?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay!
Don't be a freaking John.
No.
Don't be a John. I
Next
hate you,
week.
Gino. I hate you so much.
Alright. Out of the hot sauce.
Yes. I didn't put it.
Okay.
No. Eli, I can
All right.
start calling you Colonel Mustard.
Colonel mustard. Put a layer on top.
Oh god.
Processed cheese, my favorite.
Yeah, I think that's probably.
I was expecting it to come out more like whipped cream. I got you, boss.
Here we go.
That is... Oh god, that is not supposed to be mixed.
Shut your mouth. Come on, Colonel Mustard. Blend that cheese.
Blend that good.
Blend it real.
Hopefully this doesn't blow up on me. This here?
Yeah, that one's good.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh wait, we forgot ice.
Oh, you got. Oh, they want ice. They want it to be chilled.
No.
That's nice.
Do you think this is how people make cat food? Random.
Like, smells like what my dad's wine smells like when it's fermenting.
How does that smell?
Sodium!
I
Good sodium!
I don't know what this is.
Nutrients.
Vitamin C!
We have to eat a
Oh,
large
dude, it
amount of
smells
pie.
like fermenting stuff. Like,
Yeah, eggnog, just like
Just
mango
eggnog.
sweet.
Eggnog. I love it so much.
You gotta give more to Sean. You gotta give more to Sean.
Don't have mercy on Sean. No one likes Sean.
just have to take a look here.
Pour some.
I have something to swallow.
Oh god.
You're done.
All right. So, there's a new rule I made up so that people can just basically chug it. We have a rule where before we all drink it, we have to take a spoon and drink a little bit, and it leaves the taste of it in your mouth, and you're gonna dread drinking it more. So it's gonna make it harder for us to down. Everybody sip one drink.
Oh god, that's terrible. It's spicy! The spice! It's just sitting there! I can't do this, man!
I had to throw my head back to get it down.
Oh, it was stuck!
Alright.
Clink and drink. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
No, it's not happening. Oh god.
I don't think anybody's gonna win.
Oh no, this isn't happening.
Oh my god.
No, just the smell is burning my... I've already given up. I have Kosa.
Oh man.
Hey. Alright, we're still going.
Oh my god. That's revolting.
Gonna win.
That's vile.
Alright.
I literally almost puked.
Oh,
It was in my throat.
Oh.
There it is again.
I suppose he's the champion. Hold up your cup, Kosa. Alright.
That wraps up another episode of Blender Brothers. Hope you enjoyed watching us retch. I literally almost puked. Like, it was coming out. Stick with us and subscribe. As always, remember to brush your teeth and have the faces you have. Peace out.